Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of Bazaar Wheels. I hope you all are doing great. So today we came here with an interesting topic that why trading is called the best business in the world. So a lot of people might think that trading is like gambling and long-term investing is best. So for them, I want to tell something that if you can do trading with discipline and if you can treat this as a business, it can give you such a return that no other business can. So it's going to be an interesting topic. So let's start. Our first point is no credit. No credit in this business. Let's take an example, a garment shop who purchase their product in credit from wholesaler and sell their product in cash to their retail customer. So they are taking cash in front and they are taking credit from the wholesalers. But in stock market, if you want to buy something, you have to pay upfront, and if you want to sell something, the money will be credited to your account in a single day. So tell me any other business which has cash from the forward and cash transaction from the backward. So this kind of advantage this business has. Our second point is 100% transparency. You can get 100% transparency in this business. Suppose you go to a shopkeeper and the person is well known to you, then the shopkeeper can give you very good price. But if the person is not known to you, then he can loot you. He can give you expensive price. So in stock market, suppose a bank sitting in USA or an FI is sitting in Dubai or Singapore, or your friend sitting in Kerala or you are sitting in Kolkata, the price is same for everyone at the same time. So no more discrimination for the big players and small players. So 100% transparency for everyone. Our third point is you can start with any amount. You can start this business with any amount. Suppose if you want to uh, open a normal pani puri stall, you need an initial capital of 20,000 or 50,000. But in trading, you can start with any amount. A lot of student, like college student, who have very limited source of income, they have pocket money of 500 or 1000. They can also start from on that amount. So you can even start from 500 rupees. So this much of advantage stock market gives you. Our fourth point is no ad expense. So in this business, you don't need any marketing budget. You don't need any ad expenses at all, neither online nor offline. So if you run a normal grocery store, at least you should have a banner. You should put some offers and all the things which comes under marketing budget. But in this business, you don't have any marketing budget. This business, you can sell your product to anyone. You don't know who is he or she. You buy from someone when you need. So you don't need any ad expense in this business. Our next point is no bulk discount. Suppose you go to a shop, like in a chair shop, to buy chairs. So at first the shopkeeper will ask you that how many chairs you want to buy. Do you want to buy one or 100 or 1000? The prices will depend according to the quantity you buy. The more you buy, the lesser will be the price. So that means the bulk discount will be applied. But in trading, there is no bulk discount. But the interesting thing is that if you want to buy more in trading, if you put huge quantity, the prices will go up. So if you want to buy more, then you have to buy in the premium. So there is no bulk discount in this business. So our sixth point is whenever you want, you can exit from this business. Suppose your friend is running a manufacturing unit. He has plant machineries, he has inventories in his warehouse, and he has laborers, employees working for him. So first of all, he cannot think about exiting the business. But if you think of doing that, it will take 2 to 3 years to exit from this business, and he will not get the good price for the business. So exit cost is very much. But in trading, if you decide at night that I want to close this business, I want to run something else, I want to do something else, and then at morning 9:15 come to the trading desk, uh, square off all your position, whether it is in profit or loss, square off all your position, and you're out of business and do something else. So exiting cost is very very less in this business. So one of the most interesting point is that expansion cost is nil. So in this business, you don't need any expansion cost. Suppose you are running a manufacturing unit. If you want to expand your business, you have to set up your manufacturing unit in another area. You have to set up your office in another area. But in this business, uh, right now you're working on 10 lakh capital and you want to do it at 50 lakhs capital. Just add another 40 lakhs and your business is uh, grown by that much. So the expansion cost is almost nil. Sometimes you need to add 1 to 2 people when you grow very big. Our next point is no one can judge your income. Now you can say that how come judging your income comes under the advantage? Because this is an advantage. Because if you can observe that if you go to a restaurant and the restaurant is full of crowd, you automatically trying to calculate that how much the restaurant owner make in a day or in a month. So this kind of things happen practically. But in trading, if a person sitting next to you cannot judge your income, how big or small you are doing, whether you are doing in 100 crores or 1000 crore or 1 crore or 10 lakhs, no one can judge your income. So this is also an advantage. So our next point is that your absence will not impact your business. Suppose you are running a grocery store and you go on a vacation for 1 month, and then your customer will go to your competitors. But if you are doing trading, if you go for 2 months vacation, that will not also impact your business. And the interesting part is you can also run your business from your vacation where you have gone for. So you can run this business from anywhere in the world. That's the big advantage in this business. So this is our last point and the most important point according to me, that in this business there is no government interference. Suppose you are running a manufacturing unit and as much as you grow bigger and expand your business, the government people will come and ask for this permission, that certification, and that license. A lot of things they will want. But in this business, there is no government interference. Uh, they will not ask for any certification and all the things. Just at the end of the financial year, file your income tax return, and you are all ready to go. So that's it for the day, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.